You can add features to Google Docs. For example, you can use an add-on to add your signature to a document. There are many types of add-ons available, and more are added as developers submit them to Google. To add features to Google Docs, first click the Add-ons menu. Now click Get Add-ons. In the window, you can browse a list of add-ons for your Google Docs. Use the menu at the top to see different categories of add-ons. In the search box, enter text describing the add-on you're looking for. When you click an add-on, you can see a description, screenshots, and reviews. To install an add-on, click Free. If you have a managed Google account, your organization's administrator can restrict the use of add-ons. If you need help installing an add-on, contact your administrator. You then have to review and accept the permissions for the add-on. After you install an add-on, you can use it with all your Google Doc files. Congratulations, you now know how to add features to your Google Docs.